Stefano Mongardi. Digital and Content Marketer Business Developer. December 23, 2014. 7 Hot Tech Jobs for 2015. Technology is empowering our lives and companies as Uber and Airbnb are revolutionizing industries that were used to be completely different just a couple of years ago. Uber valuation is now $40 billion and close to $13 billion for Airbnb. These mobile and web-based applications simply match supply and demand of a service, cars the first, houses the second, and retain a fee. This simple process is the foundation of a multi-billion business cash flow that can be applied even in other industries. Old-style companies are expected to disappear if they can't surf this digital wave. When we visit a website, we see beautiful designed websites and user-friendly interfaces. Every single color, click, scroll and action on a website is created to facilitate the user experience and help customers in their buying process. But who are these mysterious guys behind a website, a mobile app or a stunning social network? Below are the hottest and most requested tech jobs for 2015. 1. Front-end developer. Front-end development is the development of those elements of a website that the customer sees and interacts with directly. It is a combination of programming skills, knowing which program to choose, and aesthetics, understanding element arrangements on the screen, the color and font choices. The challenges associated with front-end developers is that the tools and techniques used to create the front end of a website change constantly, and so the developer needs to constantly be aware of how the field is developing. Wikipedia. 2. PHP developer. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed for web development but also used as a general-purpose programming language. Building websites and business applications with the PHP language is challenging. 3. Android developer. You might think that iPhones are dominating the world. Just consider this fact: Android phones dominate 85% of the global smartphone market. I think this is a good reason to be an Android developer. 4. UX designer. This role requires capabilities to design and develop engaging user experiences. Highly analytical as well as highly creative ideas are requested to develop an engaging website/app design. 5. Java developer. Java developers use the Java programming language to build the apps you use every day. Java is, as of 2014, one of the most popular programming languages in use, particularly for client-server web applications, with a reported 9 million developers. 6. Data scientist. Have you ever heard the word big data? These guys have to deal with the incredible amount of data flooding today on the web. Data scientists investigate complex problems through expertise in disciplines within the fields of mathematics, statistics, and computer science. These areas represent great breadth and diversity of knowledge, and a data scientist will most likely be expert in only one or at most two of these areas and merely proficient in the other. 7. QA engineer. The quality assurance engineers are the guys who keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes. They need to solve issues as soon as possible and be ready to find solutions. In an automated-like world, they are very demanded. Visual media for Internet Nation.